got the OnePlus 13, and let me show you how to enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you go into settings, and under settings, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that. You should see the option called Do Not Disturb. So if you tap on that, you first of all get the option to enable Do Not Disturb and disable. Okay, now with the Do Not Disturb mode enabled, you have some options. So for instance, you can choose to mute media when in DND mode or Do Not Disturb mode. So anytime you play media in Do Not Disturb mode, it's going to be muted by default. And then you can unmute it if you want to hear. So you can enable and disable that option. Also, you can choose to schedule the always on, the Do Not Disturb mode. You can set it up from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. every day. So if you want to, you can enable that, or you can put in your own schedule. So you can tap on plus and then schedule your own Do Not Disturb mode. And then of course, you can make exceptions. So for instance, by default, Do Not Disturb mode mutes incoming calls and alarms and messages, obviously. So you can have exceptions to allow messages and calls from specific people, and your phone will ring even though you're in Do Not Disturb mode. So it could be an emergency contact, it could be your children. You don't want to miss your children's calls because you're in Do Not Disturb mode, or your employer, whatever it means. So you can have exceptions. And then also you can choose to have exceptions for specific apps to ring even though you're in Do Not Disturb mode. So for instance, if an email comes in, you can enable that as an exception, so that even if you have Do Not Disturb mode enabled, anytime you get a new email, then your phone will make the notification sound. And then you have lastly, ring for repeated calls. So you can have if someone calls you twice within 3 minutes, then your phone might consider that an emergency, and it's going to override the Do Not Disturb mode and ring. So if you want to, you can enable and disable that. So that is basically Do Not Disturb mode on your OnePlus 13. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.